With the acceleration of AI development, we have started to hear about new tools offering amazing services that can now do in a minute what used to take you hours. However, many people still do not know about these tools and have not yet become part of the AI revolution. Did you know that you can earn extra income from the internet using only AI tools without needing any skills? If you are not using AI to make money, then you are definitely using it the wrong way. Let me guide you now to a treasure chest that will make you thousands of dollars monthly, easily, without skills and without wasting time. The treasure chest I am talking about is Tenorshare AI. Okay, you might be wondering now, what is Tenorshare AI simply? Tenorshare AI is an all-in-one AI productivity platform that brings together powerful tools for writing, content creation, and document management. It includes over 120 writing features, AI text humanization to bypass detection systems, PDF/DOC summarization and chat, grammar correction, translation, and even automatic slide generation for presentations. Unlike many platforms that focus on just one feature, Tenorshare AI integrates all of these into a single secure and easy-to-use solution, saving time and boosting efficiency. Its standout qualities are the breadth of its tools, the effectiveness of its AI Humanizer, and its strong privacy protections, making it a reliable choice for individuals and teams alike. After entering the website, you need to create an account. I will leave the website link in the description. Now I will explain the features of the website. If you click on AI Bypass, you will find two features here. These two features are important for anyone, regardless of their situation, whether you are an employee, a student, or working on the internet. I will explain why. Okay. Let's first click on Free Humanize AI. Okay, why is this feature specifically important for everyone? Simply because it makes any text written by artificial intelligence more human-like and thus original. The site performs a simple rephrasing of the text, making it undetectable. Let me conduct an experiment so you understand better. I took this text generated by ChatGPT. I will put it here and choose mode. I will leave it as it is, and I will also choose tone. I will leave it as it is. Because I am just experimenting, then I will scroll down here and click on Humanize. As you can see, the site will rephrase the text and give you a new text like this that you can use with full confidence. You may wonder why you should use this feature, so let me explain it simply. Whatever your situation is, you always need to do some work using artificial intelligence, but you get a detectable text. So if you are asked again who wrote this text, it will say it was generated by ChatGPT or Grok, etc. And this is not in your favor because you will be detected. But with this feature, the text becomes yours and undetectable. Let's take another example related to Humanize. And this time, let's say you are a student and a professor gave you a research topic about artificial intelligence and its relation to the development of universities and asked you to write it, but you wanted to save time and get it in moments. And that's what we will do now. We will go to ChatGPT and ask it to provide us with a 2-page research paper discussing the topic we mentioned earlier. We will copy the research, then go back to the site and paste it there for the site to do the rest. The website will analyze the text and rewrite it, providing me with a new text that is not only undetectable, but also improved. As you can see, the website tests it with AI tools, and as you can see, the result shows that it is written by a human, meaning the text cannot be detected. Okay, let's check if the text we obtained is original and undetectable, so we will use the 𝘽𝙐𝙎𝙎 website. We will copy the text we got earlier, paste it here, and click on Detect Text. As you can see, the site indicates that the text is written by a human and that there is only a 3.4% chance that the total text was written by artificial intelligence. So, the text has successfully passed the site's test brilliantly. Now we will talk about a feature slightly similar to the first one, which is the AI detector. This feature allows you to know whether the text is generated by artificial intelligence or if it is original. For example, I will try this with you now. I will put this text as it is and click on Check for AI, and the site will then start searching using many AI tools to determine whether the text is original or not. As you can see now, the text I put is generated by AI, and the site easily recognized it. In fact, this feature is very important because, for example, if you are publishing AI-generated articles, This feature will inform you of their quality. If the site recognizes them as written by AI, you can then use the first feature to rephrase them and make them suitable and original. There are also many other tools and features on the site. For example, in the AI Writer, you will find special features for translation and writing. All these features will enable you to do things in seconds that used to take a lot of time, even for professionals. There is also the AI PDF feature that allows you to get answers from a PDF file that you upload, saving a lot of time instead of manually searching through the entire file, especially for students and employees. This is truly an amazing feature. As for the free plan, it is limited, so you need to upgrade it to use the site. If we click on Buy Now, we will find the memberships available on the site, which are 3, and there is a monthly payment. However, I recommend paying annually because there is currently a 70% discount on the annual payment for each membership. Read the description of each membership and then choose what suits your needs. This way, you will have purchased your membership and become part of the Tenorshare AI family. That was all for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell to receive all new updates.